Hi everyone, my name is Bobby and I work here at COSI, and today we're going to be talking all about something called a base indicator. So today we're working with a chemical called phenolphthalein, a really nice long word, and what it means is that this is going to show us when a base is present. So what we did here, I went ahead and wrote a secret message on this paper here in phenolphthalein, and we're going to see if we can bring it back. So the first ingredient we're going to try is vinegar. So phenolphthalein is a base indicator, meaning it's going to come back if we add a base to the page. So we're going to go ahead and test vinegar out and see if vinegar is a base. Okay, so nothing came back to the page, so I think it's safe to assume that vinegar is not a base, so we would really know when that phenolphthalein comes back. So instead, we're going to go ahead now this time, and this time we're going to use something called ammonia. And you guys might be familiar, this is a household cleaner. So if I add some ammonia to our cotton ball, and I take this on the page, we can see that that phenolphthalein comes back to the page, nice and vibrant, and we can see our secret message that we wrote out for you guys: science is cool.